Hey guys, how are you doing? Hope everybody's well. Today I wanted to do a nail video on how to do a gel ombre. I recently posted a picture of some nails I did, and I did a black ombre with gel polish, and I was asked if it was gel, and I said yes, it was gel. And so I had a few questions about how I did it, and I have a really simple method for me. It is simple, but it does take practice. So I'm going to show you what I do, and you can learn it this way and then develop, what works best for you. So here's what the ombre is going to look like. So I'm trying to get my phone to focus, sorry. Okay, so we're going to do this ombre, and basically, sometimes it is hard to get that fade, especially with the gel polish brush. I know it's difficult. I've tried it. I've tried different things, different methods, and I found something that works super well for me. So what you're going to need is a fan brush. This is one of my secret weapons when it comes to ombres. And you don't have to get a nail art fan brush. You can find a fan brush in your craft section, where the paint supply is. And I also want to show you how you can create your own, you can take a brush and you can make your own ombre brush for your nails. So, one second. Okay, so yeah, so you can customize your own brushes, but I'll get to that at the end. So what you're going to need is your gel polish. I recommend that you get a few of these practice nails so that you can get a little bit better, and then you'll get comfortable to be able, to be able to do it on your client, okay? Also, I wanted to tell you this quick tip. It may at first, because of how wide a fan brush is, you will get a little, gel, of course, on the client on the side, but always have some isopropyl alcohol, or your wipe off solution in a small glass jar on the side so you can clean up your client's nail, okay? So don't freak out on that part, let them know as well, like, I'm gonna wipe this part off, it's gonna look cleaner. And then as you get better and better, you won't have as much of a mess on the sides, okay? So this is with a deep burgundy color that I use. We can use another color. I got out a few colors to use. We'll use this really pretty blue. And what I do, if you're going to have your base coat on there already, that's fine. So we're just going to pretend there's base coat on this now. And let me move this stuff out of the way. So you're going to move the base coat out. You're going to put your first layer. The feathering technique is basically what you're wanting. So depending on how far up you want your ombre to go, you're going to go to that point. You're going to go a little bit before the fade, where you want your fade to be. So this is going to be your baseline, okay? That is your base, okay? That's the darkest. This is going to be the darkest part of the nail. What I mean by that is that's where the ombre is going to begin, okay? You're going to take your fan brush and you're going to stipple. You're going to stipple it. And make sure you don't use too thick of a layer, because you're just going to make a mess. You're going to muddy it and it's not going to have that fade. So you're just going to drag from the product that's at the bottom and go to the top, okay? So you're going to put that in your lamp and you're going to cure it for whatever time your gel needs to be cured for. Okay, once that's cured, you're going to go in with your second coat or layer. And you're going to start again where the darkest part of the gel polish is. And you're not going to go past that, because you're going to ombre your color by stippling the color upwards, okay? So you're going to just touch it with the very tip of the brush. And you're going to go upwards. You're going to drag the gel upwards. Okay, so there you have it. There's your gel ombre. So you're going to put that back in your lamp before you top coat it. Okay, this is my ombre before I top coat. And what I love about gel is when you top coat, it just like makes everything blend well. Once you add your top coat, it's just going to mesh everything together. If you're a nail tech, you know what I mean. See? You have your ombre effect. Ta-da! So I hope that was simple for you guys. I will show you here in a moment how to customize a brush. Okay, this is my top coat cured and my ombre finished. This is with just the ombre and the clear coat in the background. But I also wanted to show you guys, because sometimes your client's going to want like a nude ombre with the color at the tip and then the nude. I can also do a video of that if you want to see it. I'll be making that shortly after this. So what I did was I took an old little, you know, generic little brush, which, hey, all the brushes come in handy for something. Even your old brushes that you don't want to use anymore, you can use them to do art, okay? So I just took, this is a little old brush from Amazon, or I don't even remember, and some scissors. And what you're going to do is you're just going to go at the ends and you're going to feather like you would your hair, you know, the ends. You're just going to cut it, and it doesn't have to be perfect because you want it to be like what's the word, separated at the very tip. So you want space in between some of the hairs of the brush. You don't want it to be perfect because it's what's going to give you the texture. Okay, so see here what I did? How the tip is just jaggedy. That's what you want. And you can use that for your ombre instead of the fan brush. See? And it's smaller and it will be more precise, and you won't get out of the edge of the nail bed. So I hope that helped you. Practice, practice, practice. That's what's going to help you get better. And have fun, guys. Stay creative. Love y'all. God bless y'all. Bye.